Alright, tech fans, July 2025 is about to blow up with some of the biggest smartphone launches of the year. I've got the scoop on the Nothing Phone 3, OnePlus Nord 5, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, and a few surprise contenders you won't want to miss. Let's jump right into it. First up, the Nothing Phone 3. Carl Pei's team is doubling down on their signature transparent design, but this time it's slimmer and lighter. The glyph lights? They're now customizable for notifications, ringtones, and even gaming alerts. Under the hood, we've got the new Snapdragon 8S Gen 3, promising flagship-level speed without the flagship price. Batteries boosted, camera gets a new sensor, and Nothing OS 3.0 is bringing some slick new widgets. If you're after style with substance, keep your eyes on this one. Next, the OnePlus Nord 5. This is all about value meets performance. 5G is standard of course, but the real star is the 120Hz AMOLED display, brighter, smoother, and easier on the eyes. OnePlus is also flexing their new camera algorithm for sharper low-light shots. And yes, they're bringing back the headphone jack. With a big battery and Oxygen OS 15, the Nord 5 could be a fan favorite for those who want premium features at a mid-range price. Now let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Samsung's folding flagship just got even thinner and lighter, making it feel more like a regular phone. There's a new hinge design for durability, and check this out, the crease is practically invisible. Inside, you've got a massive 7.6-inch AMOLED main display, S Pen support, and a battery that actually lasts all day. And get this, they're finally making multitasking easier with split-screen improvements and better app compatibility. If you've been on the fence about foldables, this could be the year to make the jump. But hey, don't forget the other launches. Xiaomi's Mix 6 Pro is pushing the boundaries with an under-display camera that actually looks good, while Motorola's Edge 50 Ultra is focusing on fast charging 0 to full in under 18 minutes, they claim. So which phone are you most hyped for? Let me know in the comments, and tell me what features matter most to you this year: battery life, cameras, design, or something totally new. July is shaping up to be a wild ride for smartphone fans, and I'll be here to break down every launch as it happens. Make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss out. Catch you in the next one.